I'm Nikki from Fine & Country, and I'm here today at Deppers Bridge in Southam to show you around this stunning 4-bedroom detached family home. The current owners have extended and fully renovated throughout, with the main feature being the wonderful open plan kitchen diner, with bifolding doors opening out onto the beautifully landscaped garden. Come with me and we'll take a look inside. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the tour of this stunning property. If you would like more information or to arrange a viewing, my details are to follow.